Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Mexican pickled carrots using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of carrots, 2 to 3 jalapenos, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and a few essential spices like bay leaves, peppercorns, and oregano. This simple recipe is perfect for adding a zesty kick to any meal, and it comes together quickly. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. Start by peeling about 1 pound of carrots and slicing them into 1/4 inch thick rounds or sticks, whichever you prefer. Next, slice 2 to 3 jalapenos into thin rounds. You can remove the seeds if you want less heat. Briefly sauté the carrots, jalapenos, and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a tablespoon of oil for about 5 minutes until slightly tender. The brine is where the magic happens. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and 2 bay leaves. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, ensuring the salt dissolves completely. Once boiling, carefully pour the hot brine over your sautéed carrots and jalapenos, which should already be packed into a clean jar. Once your jar is filled, let the pickled carrots cool completely on the counter before transferring them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow them to marinate for at least 24 hours before enjoying. They'll keep well for up to 2 to 3 weeks. These tangy, crunchy carrots are fantastic as a side, on tacos, or with grilled meats. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.